transcendental. Krishna cannot come here. If I have any worldly desire, they are like thorns. They will pinch in Krishna body. So we have all these things. What are they? Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Moh, Matsarya. What are they? Kam, lust, anger, greed for worldly desires, and dvesh, envy, hatred, all these things. Attachment for worldly things. Quarreling, criticizing anyone. If you want something, don't criticize, don't be angry. You should try to tolerate. You should be Tinadapi Suni Chena Tarunovi Sai Suna. Amaniya Manadena Kirtaniya Sadari. If these four qualities are not there, you cannot chant. Never. Because name is transcendental. You cannot chant by your tongue. You cannot see Krishna by your eyes. Ata Krishna Madi na bhavet Seven Mukho is Jivado. When you have a desire that I am serving Krishna by chanting, this is my service. Oh Krishna, you should come. Purify my heart and be always be merciful. And if you are surrendering, offering yourself in the lotus feet of Krishna, mercifully Krishna will come and dance on your tongue. But you will think that I am chanting, but this is not that. Krishna, transcendental, Krishna himself dancing on your tongue. But you are thinking, oh, we are doing. Never. So there are Namaprad, Namadhat and Suddhanam. When you are practicing by your tongue, by your